Despite falling short of the 2024-25 Eastern Conference Finals, Donovan Mitchell is determined to push further next season. During the 2026 NBA All-Star Weekend in Los Angeles, the Cleveland Cavaliers star will debut a special edition of his Adidas D.O.N issue number 7. This All-Star release features a striking core black, lucid orange and silver metallic colorway, with additional hues of purple and blue adding depth beyond what's listed on the box. The design reflects Mitchell's bold on-court energy while maintaining performance features tailored to his explosive playing style. Like the Dame X All-Star model, this sneaker combines aesthetics with functionality, making it both a visual standout and a reliable game-day choice. Official images reveal its vibrant, futuristic look, with signature tech that supports speed and agility. Expect the Adidas D.O.N issue number 7 All-Star to drop on Adidas.com around mid-February 2026.